Welcome to another video and episode on my ESP32 right here. Multi-purpose device with Internet of Things option and lots of connectabilities. LED buzzer, 7-segment display, which are actually 7 LEDs. This is not connected, so skip it. LCD, liquid crystal display, LDR, light dependent resistor, keypad, visiotechniek, pulses modulation driven motor, a micro servo motor, SG90, which is not always functioning, also pulses modulation driven. And those are the connected options right now. Last time I made a new effort to get a diagnosis on the keypad. That didn't entirely bring what I had hoped for. So now I want to do a new approach, and in the previous episodes I already have been talking about rewiring, but if you take a look here, you can see that these connectors can be taken off a little bit, but I have to remove the supporting frame for that, which is made of visiotechniek. So I will do that using an electrostatic discharge device, which is a wristband connected to ESD. So then I will connect two remaining probes to one of those connectors, and then hopefully see something which I so far have missed apparently. Anyway, let's connect and see. Alright, so now you can see the oscilloscope, the other camera view and my software. But like I said, I am connected to the ESD, removing this support. So now I have to carefully take away these small connectors, and that is not going to be very easy. Well, what I want will not be very easy. Alright, I have now created a gap in which the connectors should be possible to check, if that is proper English anyway. So first connector, probe 3, which I will connect to, to what actually? If I consider this row to be row 4, column 4. This is column 4 and this is row 4. So then this should be 1, and remaining is down this one. That should be alright. However, will I see something when I run the program? That's an entirely different question. So now is everything set? I do hope that this is both set and accessible. Let's go. So yes, it is accessible. Very nice. Oh, then it helps, of course, to that is a problem. I can't read. Oh, I can read. So that is the servo, which by the way is not doing a thing, as you can see, although the oscilloscope shows clearly pulse modulation driven. That's the buzzer. So now the question is, if I press one of these buttons, what's going to show? Ah, look at that. Okay. So that most certainly is a positive signal. S16. What about S15? And look at, okay, this is a very nice thing to see. Okay, this one too, this one as well. So this is clearly row 4, and column 4 is doing the same thing. The only problem I do have is that it responds to both 16 and 15. That should not happen. Okay. This is what I expect. See, this is not column 4. This is column 4 and row 4. This is what I expect, kind of. Yeah. Okay, so that works. Then I go to column 3. And right now, I'll put it this like this. Right now I need to see both waves when I put S16, S15. So this doesn't do anything suddenly. Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is good. This is not good. This is absolutely not good. So in a way the signals are kind of odd. So now when I'm measuring straight on the printed circuit board of the keypad, I'm getting signals that I'm not getting from this part. So why is that? I don't like that. But measuring is measuring anyway. And now I notice that the LCD is frozen. The 7-segment display is frozen. The monitor is frozen. So, does this still work? Well, actually, yes, it kind of does work, because this is pure electricity. This has nothing to do with software. I shorten a circuit, or I break a circuit by pushing the buttons, but none of this still works. So let me do it again. And then see whatever happens. And unfortunately, I wish I could show you very clearly what's on the display, but somehow that is not shown properly. Okay, I need, of course, this one again. It does show. This one is working again. So now I need the 7-segment display to work as well, to do something, which is not happening. And here, and then suddenly things do work, kind of. So what if I press look at this one. I press in the 3rd column, the 3rd row. Look what happens. This is a signal that I love to see. This is not, yep, a steady signal. Or, yeah, a very steady signal on column 3. Then column 3 as well, and column 3 as well. It is just that the final button on column 3 isn't working. So let me move the probe to the 2nd row. That works. That works. That works. That doesn't work. Which is strangely consistent to my early experiences. So, 4th column 1. Yes, 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 and no. So, it does look like this one works, this one works, this one works, and this one does not work the way I like. So indeed it does look like everything works except for the first, for this row, and then my LCD doesn't do anything, the rest does work. So I was afraid that it would influence each other, but it is not. And with this very clear experiment straight on the board of the keypad, I will conclude this episode. I will not get it read out properly. Maybe I will, with the exception of this row, but the columns are mostly alright, so I guess I will use that one. Now you can also see right here pulse modulation, which works nicely but has no effect on the motors. So yeah, what more can you do? And with this result I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And now I notice why it probably won't work. Everything is put on weight on the wires, so it won't work. Perhaps now it will. But the signal has changed now as well, as you can see right here. Changed signal, but doesn't matter anymore. Not for now. Anyway, like I said, you can also, thanks for watching. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, have your name mentioned on my website and on my videos. This is going to be continued, obviously. Please take a look under this video for more information. And well, to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.